Unit 1, Formative 2, Day 4, Multi-Step Equations. Today we're going to be working with equations just like we have been. Now there's going to be more than 2 steps. For instance, number 1, if you look, we see parentheses. Okay, we learned how to do this last week. What you do with the 2 is you want to distribute. So you take the 2 and you times by 3x and you times by negative 4. Here's where we start making mistakes and we forget to multiply by everything. Okay, 2 times 3x is 6x. And 2 times negative 4 is negative 8. We still have equals 16. Okay, now it looks like a 2-step equation from yesterday. Remember, we want to get rid of the adding and subtracting first. So we add 8 to both sides. So the 8's cancel and you're left with 6x equals 16 plus 8 is 24. The 6 and the x are multiplied, so we divide by 6. When you divide by 6, you get x equals 4. And that's your answer. Let's try another one. Number 2, if you look on the left side, there's multiple variables. Okay, but they're both n's, so we look and we say, can we combine those? Are they like terms? Okay, well, negative 5n and positive 8n, you can put them together. So negative 5 plus 8 makes 3n, and that still equals the negative 27. Okay, 3 times n, so we divide by 3 to both sides, and you get n equals negative 9. Okay, so sometimes you might have to combine like terms, sometimes you might have to distribute. Let's try a couple. This one, again with the parentheses, you have to distribute. Okay, so find your equal sign. You have 2 times x and 2 times negative 4. 2 times x is 2x. 2 times negative 4 is negative 8. You still have equals 4 on this side. Okay, over here with the x, you need to get rid of the 8 first, and it's subtracted, so we need to add it to both sides. Okay, 4 plus 8 is 12, equals 2x. Now the 2 and the x are multiplied, so we divide both sides by 2. Okay, and you're left with x equals 12 divided by 2, which is 6. Now, I know some of you like to skip steps, you like to not write everything out, and I understand that, but if you write it out, I can guarantee you you're going to do much better than if you don't. Okay, let's try one more. Number 4, 4x plus 6 over 2 equals 11. We did one of these yesterday. Okay, we got to remember, if the whole thing is a fraction, that means the top is kind of like in parentheses. Okay, so what do we need to get rid of first then? The 2. Okay, and the 2 is divided, so to move it to the other side, we would do the opposite of that, which is timesing by 2. Okay, 2 times 2 and multiplied and divided by 2 cancels. So we're just left with 4x plus 6 on this side. On the other side, 11 times 2 is 22. And then now, after one step, it looks like a 2-step equation. So we need to get rid of the 6 first. So subtract 6 from both sides. Okay, you have 4x equals 22 minus 6, which is 16. Okay, divide both sides by 4, and you get x equals 4. Okay, if you were confused on any of that, I would go back, rewatch it, and make sure you take notes. You can watch as many times as you need to, but come to class tomorrow ready to go.